Hi, Richard Lehwald and Maria. We're going to do some energy testing, and in the process we're going to collect some DNA on these Q-tips in order to load them into my wands. So I'm going to pull some Q-tips out here. She's going to put some saliva on them. I can use hair, nails, skin, any of these things, anything that represents her DNA. Okay, put them in these tubes. One that one in this one. Close them up so that captures her saliva containing her DNA. DNA being the person's frequency. Everything is energy, everything is frequency, everything is vibration. So while loading these in here now, as I pointed to her, they stay pointed to her. If I pointed to the cameraman over here, it says no. If I pointed to Dwayne over here, it says no. But this is Maria, it really is her.
Me.
Walk sideways, take a few side steps. Just keep on walking side. You can see it's going to follow her. Just knows, come on back. As she comes back, so it's attuned to her. Just like every radio station has its own frequency, we have our own frequency. Now we're going to do another test with these energy cards. And we're going to test 3 different sizes. And they basically attune themselves to the universal life forces out there. And so we're going to start with the small one. And that one you can utilize that, keep it on your body, keep it near your cell phone. It's very portable. And that will help to increase your life force and also help to reduce the effects of the EMFs. Electromagnetic fields, they become a real threat to us nowadays. And as you can see, that little that little card, the energy card, did a pretty good job on expanding her life force. Okay, let's grab the medium-sized one. And so this you can also put in your home, put under your food. You can use them for any application. Put more energy into your water, food, help you protect yourself from a lot of energies, perhaps negative energies in the home. This is life force. As we can see, we've probably got another doubling of that. Okay, let's go do the big one. And this is the big one. And see how much bigger we can go. And we can make these many different sizes. These are the 3 sizes I've chosen to work with. Keep them in your home. Help yourself. Draw in some good energies and distribute some good energies, because that's how the card works. It's basically attuned to the universal life force frequencies and it amplifies them back out again. So we're coming a long ways back here. The waves are flowing. I can still feel that running through my body. And she's just holding that card. I think I can go almost halfway. I'm halfway through the park. I'm getting good at walking backwards too. It's good exercise walking backwards. Right there. Wow, that's amazing. It's about 2/3 of this field. And so yeah, there you have your choice. We have the small card, the medium-sized one, the big one. And take the small one. Everyone should have a small one for boosting their, as they go around. You know, you go everywhere, buildings, malls perhaps, in areas where energy is not to be seen because it's invisible. Even electricity is invisible. We see the effects of electricity. But with these wands here, we're able to measure that and measure the effects that it can have on the body. We can apply it to our foods, etc., etc., etc. So, one more thing that we will do is hold the cell phone in your hand. So she's going to take her cell phone and just hold it in the hand. As you can see, cell phones can provide you with some pretty draining energies. Okay, and then we haven't got the little one handy, is it? There somewhere?
Right there, yes.
Yeah, just give her the little one. So as soon as she gets that one there,
And this has a thing on the back.
yeah, it's not doing much. See what happens. So actually pass that back to Dwayne. If you take that, as soon as she removes that from her, boom, right? So you can give it back to her. So this can be a great help to utilize it if you want to carry that on your cell phone. And it's going to go, just even hold the two together, right? And just see how much further we can go. It's actually will be the same whether you have the phone with you or not, okay? So what it's basically doing, it's not canceling the energy coming from the cell phone, but it's boosting the person's life force. So it's like building up your immune system. So there we have it, okay? So great way to help and protect yourself from the negative energies that could be bombarding you. And there's thousands and thousands of different things, 5G coming on board. So we need to do a lot to help and protect ourselves from all these things. Thank you.